When it comes to home improvement projects, few upgrades provide as much immediate impact as new windows. Whether you're replacing old, inefficient windows or installing new ones in a newly renovated home, the process of window installation is crucial to ensuring the best performance, energy efficiency, and longevity of your windows. While DIY window installation may seem like a tempting option, choosing professional window installation in Rockford offers many benefits that can enhance your home's security, comfort, and value. Here's why you should always choose a professional for your window installation needs. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring years of expertise and experience to the job. Proper window installation requires precision, attention to detail, and an understanding of how different window styles and materials interact with your home's structure. Professional installers are trained to handle the complexities of the installation process, ensuring that each window is fitted correctly to maximize its performance. Experienced window installers can also provide valuable advice on the best types of windows for your home's needs, whether you're looking for energy efficiency, soundproofing, or enhanced security. With their expertise, you can be confident that your new windows will be installed to the highest standards and function as intended for years to come. Proper fit and functionality. One of the key benefits of professional window installation is ensuring that your windows are properly fitted. Windows that are incorrectly installed can result in drafts, leaks, and improper sealing, which can compromise your home's comfort and energy efficiency. When windows aren't properly sealed or installed at the correct angle, they may not open and close as smoothly or securely as they should. Professional installers have the tools and skills to make sure that your windows are aligned perfectly within their frames, ensuring a proper seal and smooth operation. This attention to detail helps prevent air and moisture infiltration, which could lead to higher energy bills or water damage in the future. Energy efficiency and cost saving. A proper window installation can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency. Poorly installed windows are often a source of energy loss, allowing drafts to enter and heated or cooled air to escape. This means that your heating and cooling systems have to work harder, leading to higher energy costs. Professional window installers will ensure that your new windows are properly sealed, minimizing the amount of air loss and helping to keep your home at a consistent, comfortable temperature. This can help reduce your monthly energy bills and increase the overall efficiency of your home. In Rockford, where winters can be cold and summers hot, the importance of energy-efficient windows cannot be overstated. Moreover, many new windows come with energy-saving features such as low E-glass coatings and gas fills between panes that further improve insulation. A professional installation ensures that these features are maximized to their full potential. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. New windows can instantly boost your home's curb appeal, making it look more modern and well-maintained. Professional window installers will ensure that the windows are installed correctly, without any gaps or imperfections that could detract from the appearance of your home. A well-executed window installation can improve the overall aesthetics of your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers if you decide to sell in the future. Additionally, properly installed windows can increase your home's value. If you're planning to sell your home or refinance in the future, having new, high-quality windows installed by professionals can make your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. Safety and security. Window installation can involve working with heavy materials, sharp edges, and powerful tools. Professional installers are trained to handle these risks safely, ensuring that the job is completed without injury. They also know how to properly secure windows to the structure of your home, ensuring that they are firmly in place and resistant to potential break-ins. In Rockford, where security is always a top concern, professional window installation is especially important. Properly installed windows with advanced locking systems and reinforced glass offer enhanced security for your home. A professional installer ensures that your windows are secured against intruders, helping to keep your family and belongings safe. Warranty and protection. When you hire a professional window installation service, you're often covered by a warranty on both the labor and materials. This means that if anything goes wrong with the installation or the windows themselves, you'll be protected. Many window manufacturers also offer warranties on their products, and professional installers can ensure that the terms of these warranties are maintained by installing the windows correctly. A warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that any potential issues can be addressed without incurring additional costs. This level of protection is a significant advantage of hiring a professional over attempting a DIY installation. Time-saving convenience. Window installation can be a time-consuming task, especially if you don't have experience. Professional installers, however, can complete the job much more quickly and efficiently. They have the tools, materials, and expertise needed to install multiple windows in a fraction of the time it would take an untrained person. By hiring professionals, you can avoid the frustration and time commitment of doing it yourself, allowing you to focus on other important tasks while the job is completed with precision. Conclusion. Choosing professional window installation in Rockford is one of the best decisions you can make for your home. From ensuring a proper fit and enhancing energy efficiency to improving security and boosting your home's value, professional window installation offers numerous benefits that DIY installations simply cannot match. By working with experienced installers, you can ensure that your windows will not only look great but will perform at their best for years to come, saving you time, money, and stress. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, trust the experts to get the job done right.